good morning to one and all. So myself, I'm Ashwath. I've joined here in the Safety Professional a year ago, and I have completed my Advanced Diploma in Fire and Safety, followed by Nebosh, and then it's like when before I joined here, I checked with the other safety colleges or institutes in and around Chennai, and most of my friends they referred me safety professionals in Velachery. That's because they have completed their Nebosh from here, and even when I inquired, I was very clear that Safety Professionals at Velachery is one of the best institutes for all the safety courses. So I joined here and I completed my Nebosh in the 2018. So the staffs over here, especially Mr. Savan sir, he supports us very well, and the teaching given by him, we actually don't face any issues when we attend the exams, because most of the syllabus which is covered by him are only being questioned at the exams. So I especially am very happy to have a wonderful teacher like that, and thanks for my all the friends and surrounding sir to help me to clear these exams. Thank you.